In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Sticky Notes. Sticky Notes is a simple yet powerful tool for jotting down thoughts, reminders, and lists. Let's dive into the steps to get started with this application. First, open the Sticky Notes app on your PC. You can find it in your Start menu or by searching for Sticky Notes in the search bar. Once you click on it, the application will launch and you will see a clean interface ready for your notes. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for all the work you will do within the app. You want to ensure that you have the application open and ready to use. Next, this is your main dashboard. It displays a searchable directory of every note you have ever written. If you close a note, you can easily double-click it inside this list to pop it back onto your desktop. This feature is particularly useful for quickly accessing important notes without having to recreate them. With everything organized, you can stay productive and focused, knowing your notes are just a click away. Now, to create a new note, click the plus sign in the top left corner of any open note, or press Ctrl and N on your keyboard. This action opens a new note window, which is where you will start jotting down your thoughts, tasks, or reminders. Using the keyboard shortcut can significantly speed up your workflow. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you need to capture ideas quickly. After that, click the X icon in the top right corner of the note. This action hides the note from your desktop but does not delete it. It's a great way to declutter your workspace while ensuring your notes are still accessible. You will appreciate this feature when working with multiple notes, allowing you to focus on what's currently important without losing anything. Next, if you need to remove a note permanently, click the three dots menu and select Delete Note or press Ctrl and D. This action removes the content permanently from your sticky notes. Be cautious with this step, as once a note is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Knowing how to delete notes properly is essential for maintaining an organized digital workspace. Now let's talk about formatting. Click the image icon on the bottom formatting toolbar. This allows you to select a photo from your computer files to embed it directly inside the note box. Adding images can enhance your notes visually and help convey your message more effectively. It's a valuable feature for creative brainstorming sessions or when you want to visualize your ideas. Moving on to text formatting, you can bold your text by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl and B. This step is important for emphasizing key points in your notes. A well-structured note can help you quickly identify the most important information, making your notes more functional and easier to review. Now for italic text, highlight your desired text and press Ctrl and I. This formatting option is great for adding emphasis without the boldness. It's a subtle way to differentiate parts of your notes, making them visually appealing and easier to read. Next, to underline text, highlight it and press Ctrl and U. Underlining can help draw attention to critical items or headings within your notes. It enhances readability and can serve as a visual cue for important information. For a strike-through effect, highlight the text and press Ctrl and T. This function is particularly useful for indicating completed tasks in to-do lists. It provides a sense of accomplishment as you visually mark off what you have finished. To toggle bullet points, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and L. This action is excellent for organizing lists or breaking down information into digestible pieces. Good organization in your notes can enhance clarity and help you keep track of multiple tasks or ideas effectively. Finally, click the three dots menu at the top of a note to select one of 7 background colors. You can choose from colors like yellow, green, pink, or charcoal for dark mode. Customizing your notes background can make it more visually appealing and help differentiate between various notes. This enhances your productivity by making it easier to locate specific notes at a glance. By following these steps, you will master the use of Microsoft Sticky Notes. Enjoy your note-taking experience, knowing that you have the tools to keep your thoughts organized and accessible.